Okay.
Hi everybody, today we are going to be doing the Chubby Bunny Challenge. So, the first thing you do is get some marshmallows.
I've noticed that it says you could die. Let's hope none of that happens.
Yes, Hannah, we're gonna die.
But you never know. You never
Only if you're dumb enough to eat them all at once. Hello? We have bowls here, so when we're done, we can spit it. Okay. So, do you want to go first or should I go first?
Well, we just ate Chubby Bunny.
Oh no. I did 4.
I am 5.
Okay, so she won. And that's it. That's all, folks.
Bye.